Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of houseplants. We're talking low maintenance, easy to care for indoor plants that can brighten up any room without the fuss. Let's get started. First up, we have the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty is practically indestructible. It can handle low light like a champ, and you only need to water it every couple of weeks. Next, let's talk about the ZZ plant, the plant that even the most neglectful plant parent can keep alive. It thrives in low light conditions, making it ideal for darker corners or rooms with less natural sunlight. Now, if you're looking for a plant that grows like crazy, look no further than the Pothos. This plant is not only easy to care for, but also incredibly versatile. It adds a touch of whimsy and elegance to any space, making it the perfect addition to your home decor. Whether you place it on a shelf, hang it from a ceiling, or let it trail down a bookcase, the Pothos is your new best friend. These trailing vines can grow several feet long, transforming any room into a lush green oasis. The Pothos is known for its rapid growth and resilience, making it ideal for both novice and experienced plant parents. Creating a beautiful cascade of green, the Pothos brings a sense of tranquility and natural beauty to your living space. Its vibrant leaves and cascading vines are sure to captivate and inspire. Let's talk about the spider plant, a true superhero of the plant world. Not only is it super low maintenance, but it's also known for its incredible air-purifying qualities. They produce adorable little spiderettes that you can propagate. If you're looking for a plant that adds a touch of elegance and drama, look no further than the peace lily. This plant is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. These beauties are known for their stunning white blooms that emerge from dark green foliage. The contrast between the pure white flowers and the lush green leaves creates a striking visual effect that can enhance any indoor space. Just make sure to water them when the soil feels dry to the touch. Peace lilies thrive in low to medium light conditions, making them ideal for homes and offices. They also help purify the air, removing toxins and improving indoor air quality. With minimal effort, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of this elegant showstopper. Philodendrons are like the chameleons of the plant world, coming in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. From heart-shaped leaves to deeply lobed ones, their diversity is truly remarkable. These beauties are known for their adaptability and can tolerate a wide range of indoor conditions. Whether you place them in a cozy corner or a bright living room, they thrive effortlessly. They prefer bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Overwatering can be detrimental, so it's best to let the soil dry out between waterings. Philodendrons can also be trained to climb trellises or cascade beautifully from hanging baskets, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Their leaves not only come in various shapes, but also in different textures and shades, from deep green to vibrant variegated patterns. Incorporating a philodendron into your home decor can instantly elevate the aesthetic, making it a versatile show-off in any indoor garden. If you're looking to make a statement, the rubber plant is your go-to. With its large, glossy leaves, it adds a touch of drama and sophistication to any room. They're relatively low maintenance and can tolerate some neglect. Now let's talk about the cast iron plant, a plant that truly lives up to its name. This one can handle it all: low light, infrequent watering, and even a little bit of neglect. The Chinese evergreen is another fantastic choice for low light conditions. They prefer moderate watering and can tolerate some dryness, making them relatively low maintenance. Last but not least, we have the Aloe Vera plant, a true multitasker in the plant world. Not only is it incredibly low maintenance, but it also boasts amazing medicinal properties. Aloe Vera prefers bright, indirect light and infrequent watering. Well, there you have it, y'all. My top 10 favorite low-maintenance indoor plants. I hope this video has inspired you to add a little greenery to your home. Happy planting, friends!